Hello everyone. Hello my dear children. How are you all? Yes, I know you all are fine and staying safely at your homes. I am here today with a new story. The story is all about the horse and the donkey. Are you all ready to listen to the story? Yes, I know you all are ready to listen to the story. So let's not waste a moment and let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a washerman. Do you know what the washerman does? Yes, the washerman washes clothes in return of money. The washerman had a horse and a donkey. He used to ride upon the horse and go to many places, and he used to carry heavy loads on the back of the donkey. One bright sunny day, the washerman went out with his horse and his donkey. He went to the villages and collected lots of dirty clothes, and he stacked all the dirty clothes on the back of the donkey. The load was very heavy and the donkey was feeling very exhausted after walking some moment. The washerman that day decided to walk all the way round to the river for washing his clothes. After walking some moment, the washerman too was very exhausted and he was sweating hard. Sweating and sweating. He was sweating very hard as it was very hot that day. And after that moment, he decided to take a short rest. When the washerman was resting, the donkey decided to talk to the horse about his load. The donkey decided to talk to the horse. Do you know what the donkey said? The donkey said, "Horse, horse, will you please take half the load from my back, as it is too heavy and it is very hot. I'm feeling so much tired." Do you know what the horse replied? "Ha! Why will I take the load? I am only supposed to carry my master. It is your duty to carry the load. I will not take the share of the load." Then, without any choice, the donkey was carrying the load. After walking some time, the donkey collapsed. He sat on the ground. He was not able to stand. Then the washerman noticed that the donkey was too weak to stand. The washerman felt very guilty. He felt that he was supposed to divide the load among both the animals, but he didn't. Then the washerman gave little bit of water to the donkey. But then also the donkey couldn't stand. Then the washerman took the load from the back of the donkey and placed it on the back of the horse. After walking some moment, the horse realized his mistake. He could have taken half the load at that time. Now he have to carry the entire load, and yes, it is too heavy. So at that moment, the horse talked to the donkey. "Sorry, my dear friend, I was very wrong. Yes, the load is too heavy for you alone to carry. Sorry, my dear friend, will you be my friend?" The donkey replied, "Yes, why not? We will be friends." From then onwards, both of them became good friends and they were good friends forever. So, what did you learn from the story? Yes, we should always help others and we should always share the burden of others. Yes, I know you will always do that. So, how did you like the story? The story? Yes, I know you like the story very much. So, do not forget to give a thumbs up and share my video and subscribe it for getting more videos like this. For getting more videos like this. Till then, bye bye.